Explore the areas of our garden. Sitting in the beautiful Yorkshire countryside, Harlow Carr offers a variety of growing landscapes, from running and still water to woodland and wildflower meadows. Highlights include the lavish main borders, bursting with generous prairie-style planting and the lush, moisture-loving plants around streamside. Main borders. One of the earliest features created at Harlow Carr, the main borders run across the axis of the garden. They offer a glorious vista of planting through the seasons, while drawing visitors onto the Woodland and Doric columns that once graced the portico of Harrogate spa rooms. Mature specimen trees, including Maytenus, Parrotia, Liquidambar, American sweetgum, and Tilia lime trees, bring height and structure to the borders, while the generous prairie-style planting combines herbaceous perennials, bulbs, and grasses in spectacular bold drifts. A visual rhythm. Angular cones of buxus box punctuate the main borders, creating a visual rhythm to the planting. Halfway down the borders is an informal roundel planted simply with hardy geraniums, Millennia, Parrotia, and Camassia. Although at their sensational best in summer, the borders offer significant horticultural interest all year round. Alliums bridge the gap between spring and summer, planted in their thousands to create a haze of purple and white pom-poms. In autumn, bright yellow rudbeckias, orange-hued heleniums, and red-flowered Crocosmia lucifer add a fiery note, while purple moorgrass Millennia caerulea subsp. Arundinacea skyracer adds contrast and texture. The white border. In 2011, a new border was created adjacent to the main borders, the white border, offering a harmonious blend of perennials and grasses set within a choice selection of shrubs and small trees. Gardens with a limited color palette have a long-established history and allow the true structure and form of plants and their foliage to shine. In the white border, contrasting color heightens the beauty of white flowering plants, for example, through the delicate purple flowers of Thalictrum Ann or the strong foliage tones of Physocarpus opulifolius diabolo. Ornamental grasses bring movement to the border. The stately silhouette of Miscanthus sinensis morning light and sweeping form of Millennia caerulea subsp. Arundinacea windspiel look particularly attractive in the breeze. The Mediterranean border. Situated at the top of the main borders, facing southwest to catch the sun, is a bed of Mediterranean natives and other plants that enjoy warm, well-drained conditions. Bay laurel, cistus, and lavenders thrive here alongside Euphorbia mersenites. In summer, the border features bright, clashing colors from fuchsias, gnaphophias, salvias, and dahlias. Sun border. A new sun border is planned that will see the existing Mediterranean border expanded and enhanced. The border will feature a wide range of sun-loving and subtropical plants, including Calicedrus decurrens, Laurus nobilis, Agapanthus, nerine, and X. amarine hybrids. This new border has been made possible thanks to a legacy gifted to the RHS by Celia Rowe. The subtropical border. The striking subtropical border, located just below the garden's entrance steps, provides a warm and tropical welcome on a summer visit to Harlow Carr. This dazzling display was first created in 2018 to add an exciting, exotic feel to the garden, and takes inspiration from the dramatic planting schemes of Great Dixter. Reaching its peak in late summer, the border combines the large, lush foliage of plants such as bananas, canna, hedychium, and paulownia, with vibrant splashes of color from the flowers of salvias and dahlias.